Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I paint this simple llama paint by line. It's going to be super easy. First I'm going to go in with the color Driftwood and I'm just going to base coat the llama. And don't worry about going over the lines like his ears and stuff because after that dries it's super easy to cover up. I'm going in with the color Soft Pink and painting his nose and also his ears. Just using a small detailed brush for this, like a small round brush. Next I'm going in with a tiny detail brush. It's a number 0 and some black paint. I'm using my Apple Barrel Black just because it's a naturally watered down paint. And I'm following the lines that are etched into the cutout. You can kind of see what I'm talking about on camera, but the camera doesn't really show it as well as it is in person. So I'm not having to freehand any of this. I'm just following over the lines that have been etched into the cutout for me. It's super easy. And now I'm going to go in with the color Hurricane Gray. I'm just kind of accenting around his fur. This step is optional, but I like the extra detail it gives it. So if you want to skip this step, that's totally fine. And I'm just using that small detail brush that I used earlier for this. Just kind of following the curves of his fur. If you try to do like a different curve, it'll get confusing and kind of get lost. So I'm also going to go over and highlight a few parts of that in the color Cotton, just to kind of brighten everything up. And then I'm going to also go in and give it some definition with some black. So I'll be using like 3 kind of accent colors today for this. And again, all of this is optional, but I'd just like to show you as an option because I like the way it turns out. I'm just going to go in and do a paint marker for his feet just because that's super easy. And that's it, you guys. This is a really easy llama. It'd be really fun to do with your kids. We know everybody loves llamas, so we hope you guys loved this video and have a great day.